Last year, a small colony of Apischirana honeybees decided to make themselves at home in my compost tumbler. From here, they would work hard to collect nectar from nearby flowers. They would breed and make honey before one day moving on to another location when circumstances were no longer ideal. When a bee colony absconds, it leaves behind its combs, containing wax and lots of insect bits and pieces. They don't leave any honey behind, but we can at least harvest the beeswax and make something useful out of it. To extract beeswax, put the combs inside a muslin bag and boil it. Beeswax melts at around 60 to 70 degrees Celsius and, being less dense than water, it floats to the top. The muslin bag filters off the insect bits and pieces so that the beeswax is as clean as possible. When cooled, you can simply lift the layer of beeswax from the water. Next, prepare a bain-marie. Drop in a piece of cotton cloth and melt the pieces of beeswax until the cloth has properly soaked up all the melted wax. Hang up your beeswax wrap until it cools down, then use it to cover bowls and food items instead of using plastic cling film or aluminum foil. As with all things, there are recommended uses for and risks associated with using beeswax wraps with food. Do read the link in the accompanying text for some of the main considerations so that you can use your wraps safely.